So, they're doing something with the bridge in order to let the boat through now. This is very interesting, is it not? Look at this. Yay, this is cool. Wow. Look at that. Very interesting. Wave at the camera. Wave to the people. Hello! Oh, look at that. That's really good. Wow. That's very interesting. Look, they're doing the bridge. Super cool. And then in a minute we can go over it to get our train. Very interesting. There's the boat. Hey. Wow, look at that. Super cool. I've never seen that before. It's good to capture it on video. Let's go. Look, there's the swans. See, swans. There's the boat. Ooh. That was super cool.